Hi everyone, welcome back to Next Sketchpad. Today we're going to be drawing owls. So first I'm drawing the tree trunk. I know the pencil is hard to see. Yeah, and so I'm making a little hole for the baby owls to be in. And this is going to be like a nighttime landscape with trees in the forest. Okay, so now we're starting off with the baby owls. I'm making the outline, so the bodies of them. This is number 1 for the head. They're like little barn owl chicks. I wanted to make their eyes really big, like an owl's. Now I'm making their tiny little wings. His feet. Well, legs, now his feet, his talons, his other leg, and his other foot. Now I am making baby barn owl chick I'm making all of their feet. Okay, talents. Now I'm going to be making baby barn owl chick. Baby barn owl chick 2 with his round circular head and his big bulgy eyes. Now I'm going to be making barn owl chick number 3. Same thing, big head. They kind of look like Albert Einstein as an animal. I don't know why, it just reminds me. Number 3 looks like Albert Einstein. I'm gonna name him Einstein. His little diamond beak. That one looks the chunkiest, and his wings are spread out. Now I'm going to be making number 4, 5. Well, number 5. Same thing, eyes. We have to skip we're not going to do the beak because the second chick is covering part of the face. Oh. Okay. Now one all the way at the top. Just peeking out. He looks pretty cute. He's one of my favorites. Wait, no, I said that one was my favorite last time. Yeah, the one at the top, his beak looks a little awkward. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Oh, I'm fixing his beak. There we go. That looked kind of better. Now we're gonna go down from the tree trunk and we're making little branches on the tree trunk. And now we're making trees in the background. After we outline everything, we're going to color everything in with my color pencils at the side. Okay. I just have to make that. I made a little rat over there. Whatever you want to call it. And I'm outlining it with one of my trusty markers. I love those markers. I got them for Christmas 2 Christmases ago. Well, 1 Christmas ago when I moved. I used to live in New York, but now I live in Florida. I really have to make sure I outline everything, because if I don't outline everything, there would be a part that you can't see because the pencil is not really that light. Okay, now I'm outlining chick number 2. Chick number 2 has some awkward eyes. And they have little hair. Number 6 has little hair. Actually, I'm gonna name them by numbers. The first one that I did is 1, 2nd, 2, 3rd, 3, 4th, 4, 5th, 5, and then the one all the way at the top with the mohawk is 6. I think number 1 looks angry, and one of his eyes is bigger than the other. They kind of look creepy. Like, they look like little devils. I've never seen a hawk here. No, not a hawk. An owl here in Florida, but I see a lot of hawks in Guyana. In the nighttime, no, not hawks. Why do I keep on saying hawks? Owls. I see a lot of owls in the nighttime when I go to Guyana, and I also see bats because the hawks fly around and they catch the bats. It's pretty fun to watch. And in Guyana, there is this baby goat, and he sadly passed away. His name is Nathan, and I used to love to play with him with my cousin. That was a trip that all of my close family members, like my close cousins, went to Guyana. I'm almost done with the outline. Once I outline, you could see the other part, that tree. Before I couldn't even see it. Now I'm gonna start coloring. During this video, I run out of brown because I had to color in that whole tree trunk. Well, right now I'm coloring in the rat. Stinky little rat. My sister's friend, her name is Shauna. Wait, let me see something. Never mind. Okay, yeah, I run out of brown here. When I just color in the tree trunks, I eventually run out of brown because on that side I'm pressing down too much. So what I did is press down on the other side so it would be even. Trust me, being an artist is a lot of work. You may be thinking, no, you just have to draw. No. Nope, not at all. This is the part where I get stuck, so I'm gonna be using different browns. Yep, look at that pencil, it doesn't write anymore. Switching up. I'm trying my best to blend it. Now that one ran out because I used that one before, so now I'm using a different one. Oh wait, no, it didn't run out. That was just a test. There we go. Now we have to color in those trees. How great. It's kind of like an orangish color. There's my head. You may be thinking, why is your head in the videos like all of the time? When I draw, I just have to put my head down so I can really see, like, is this right? I can't see. And I really struggle. Yeah, that's one part of being an artist. You have to struggle. See, being an artist is hard. You have to struggle and make sacrifices. Why do I keep calling the trunk? Oh, there's a spot right there near the rat. No, I just have to color in the owls, the nighttime sky, and the trees. The leaves on the trees. They all have different color eyes, you'll see. It makes them look so cute. He has a different tone of yellow. He has orange. He has like neon yellow. What's next? Brown. He has brown eyes. What's number 6? Oh, dark orange. Wait, no, that's not orange. That's red with a mix of yellow and orange. Am I gonna do brown? No. Am I good? Okay. The black. Or and their little hollow tree cave thing, whatever you call it. What is it called? An owl cave? No, I don't know. My favorite type of owl is a barn owl. They're so cute. Their mom is out hunting, and their dad, if they even have a dad, which I'm sure they do. You guys can comment down below what their name should be. What number 1's name should be. It looks pretty angry. Number 1 is the one with the light orange eyes. Okay, now I'm putting brown on their forehead. You may be thinking, what are those scrapes on your hand? So here's the story. I fell down on my bike and like there was bruises everywhere. I still have this big bruise on my face. I'm just rushing for that part. There's 17 more seconds. Okay, so green, this is the green part. I made that for one tree, now the other tree. And that is it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.